We're living in beautiful moments. We have to freeze the frame. Tiny flashes of perfection worth more than fortune or fame. It's the
Advisor, founder, Nicole Awicar, attorney, Mario P. Espiritu. May we also request the presence of Mr. Ray Villegas on stage. And the certificate will be a photo of next certificate is for the founders of Lincoln Awit Choir in profound thanksgiving for your visionary leadership and wavering dedication in establishing and nurturing the Lincoln Awit Choir. Through your great passion and commitment, you have laid a strong foundation that has inspired generations of choir members to serve, sing praise, and glorify to the Lord. Your legacy continues to live through generations. Given this 24th day of May 2026 at the Emiliano T. Roma Memorial National Integrated High School, signed President Lincoln Awit Choir Arturo M. Angustia and Advisor Founder Attorney Mario B. Espiritu Jr. Attorney Mario B. Espiritu Jr. Same certificate is also given to Antonio Arrigo, Roberto R. Iravide, and Mr. Ray Villegas. The founder of SEX, Samahan ng mga ex-seminaryan. It's awarded to our President, Joey Angustia. Same certificate is awarded to Edwin R. Lagra. The next certificate is awarded to the Secretary of Lincoln Awit Choir, Russell May L. Balones. Next certificate is awarded to the Treasurer, Mirna M. Javier. Next certificate is awarded to the Auditor, Jose Arnold B. Santos. Next certificate is awarded to the Press Relation Officer, Generally E. Mirabide. Next certificate is awarded to the Sergeant at Arms, Alden S. Angosta. Next certificate is awarded to Events and Registration Committee, Sherna Santos. Next certificate is awarded to Youth Affairs of Lincoln Awit Choir, Sherwin Ann O. Alhuzan. Next certificate is awarded to Apostolic Affairs of Lincoln Awit Choir, Rodora X. G. Perez. Next certificate is awarded to Religious and Spiritual Affairs of Lincoln Awit Choir, Shalani P. Dominguez. Next certificate is awarded to Membership Committee, yours truly. Next certificate is awarded to Social Committee of Lincoln Awit Choir, Eman R. Tuazon. Next certificate is awarded to Ways and Means of Lincoln Awit Choir, Leilani L. Ponce. Next certificate is awarded to Music Ministry of Lincoln Awit Choir, Ronaldo T. Dizon. Next certificate is awarded to Cultural Affairs of Lincoln Awit Choir, Ferdinand Rocky Ramos. Ferdinand.
I got this feeling. Kanina maraming kwento tungkol sa lingkod. Pero may pagkakataon na ang lingkod almost disbanded na. Almost disbanded na lingkod, wala nang kumakanta. At may isang tao na nagpatuloy na kumantang mag-isa para sa lingkod. At yun ay si Gani. Kasama niya si Adonis minsan. Wala na kami. Tsaka si Elmer, yan, silang tatlo.
Kwento niyan, ibubulgar ko na, no? Tungkol sa ato sa pare. Ang natira na lang is ako at saka ito.
Ang matindi, yung ako na lang talagang mag-isa. Tugtog muna. So, ang ginawa ko, para hindi mag-ispan yung kwento ng lingkod, pinuntahan ko yung mga old na wife yan.
Nakiusap ka.
Pakiusap, kung ayaw yung mag-ispan yung kwento, pagsimula ulit tayo sa lingkod.
Mahalaga kasi malaman ng lahat kasi katulad ng mga bata, hindi nila alam yung mga pangyayaring yun. Yung mga later na nag-join lang, hindi rin nila alam. Hindi alam ni Joey yun.
So napagkaisahan, nagugulang samahan ng mga kabataan na may talento sa pag-awit kaya't nagsimulang hikayatin ang iba't ibang grupo sa bayan ng Kawit na sumali sa choir. No, sa kabila ng pagiging abala ni Maestro Robert Walter at ni Ate Glock na miyembro ng Philharmonic Orchestra. Ay tumugon pa rin sila sa paanyaya ng ating mga kasama.
Para sa inyo lahat, para sa Kuya Ben. Sikat ng umaga, bugos ng ulan, simoy ng dapit
kadahilan ng lumalaki, dumadami at ang miyembro ng choir, kailangan magkaroon ng organizational structure. Kaya nabuo ang mga iba't ibang balangkas o grupo.